Bonjour, salut les enfants. Welcome back, bienvenue. Je suis très contente d'être ici. I'm very happy to be here to record for you a third video, our third video, troisième vidéo, where we will continue to focus on Google Translate, how to use this application or tool to translate words from English into French and also to practice pronouncing these words. Of course, there are many languages that you can explore on Google Translate, but for our purposes here, we are focusing on English and French, anglais et français. Now we are going to stick with our theme of la cuisine, the kitchen, the kitchen. The first two videos, numéro 1 and numéro 2, numbers 1 and 2, I introduced you to two different words that you may or may not be familiar with. You should be though. Oven, which is four in French, and sink, which is évier de cuisine. In this video, let's find out how to spell and say or pronounce the word réfrigérateur. Now I'm using a new laptop. I hope you're able to hear the audio. Réfrigérateur. So I'm going to use my own voice. My own voice. Ma voix propre. And you're going to practice with me. Réfrigérateur. Très bien. Encore, again. Réfrigérateur. Excellent. Une troisième fois. A third time. Réfrigérateur. Well done. Now, let's break this word up into syllables, just as we've done in the past, or you may have done with your own teacher if you are a student coming from elsewhere. Réfrigérateur. Réfrigérateur. Now you do it. Très bien, les enfants. Very good, children. Very good, folks. Réfrigérateur. So that is the French word or translation for refrigerator. But before I sign off on this video, I want to emphasize that in the day-to-day, we may not say refrigerator. Could you please get me the milk from the refrigerator? You might say, and many French speakers may say, fridge. Now, hang on, that's the English word. Fridge, which is the short form of refrigerator, is le frigo. 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 Let's practice together. Le frigo. Now, we can see the article here, le frigo. So I can't help but ask you, is this a masculine noun or a feminine noun? You tell me. Exactement. C'est un nom, a noun, un nom masculin. Frigo, also known as fridge, is a masculine noun. Let's listen again to the pronunciation. Now remember, if you're using Google Translate chez toi, at home, or wherever you may be, please take advantage of the audio button, the listen button, and practice, okay? Practice, practice, practice. So fridge in French is frigo or le frigo. Refrigerator in French is réfrigérateur. That is correct, with two accents aigus. Well done. Okay, I'm going to wrap up here. À la prochaine. See you next time, les enfants. Ciao!